How to pick a name for your Shopify store. One of the common challenge or one of the common problem o yung one of the common confusion of store owners is to name their store. Kung ano yung tamang pangalan or kung ano yung pwedeng pangalan para dun sa napili nilang niche, yung para dun sa store nila. I have 2 tips on choosing the right name for your store. Choosing the right name for your store is important, but it's not the most important thing on running a store. But it should not hinder you on starting your own store. These 2 tips are based from my own experience. I had two Shopify stores, and the other one is I just researched, and I think it will be helpful for starters. Lipat na tayo dun sa screen to see the tips. Okay? Tip number 1, name it as a general store. Di ba, for example, yung Amazon, una nilang binenta na libro, they started selling books. Pero hindi nila pinangalanan yung store nila as books.com or bookshelf.com. Pinangalanan nila ito na amazon.com. It's a general store. And ngayon, ang Amazon, they sell whole variety of items. Anything under the sun they sell, or anything that you can sell, they have it. Tapos sa Lazada, ang nag-umpisa sila clothes. Hindi nila pinangalanan yung store nila as clothes.com or clothesph.com or fashionph. Umpisa nila as Lazada General Store. And ngayon, madaming items na mabibili sa Lazada. From gadgets to clothes to shades and even gaming and pets, mabibili sa Lazada. Ganun siya. Why general store versus niche store? Kasi for example, niche specific like petshop.com or Pet Shop Society. For example, yun yung pinangalan sa store. Ang niche niya, pets and animals. And yung target market natin doon ay pet owners o kaya mga pet shop na makapag-supply tayo. Ngayon, limited lang siya. For example, gusto natin lumipat ng niche. Halimbawa, pupunta tayo sa home or sa fashion. Hindi tayo agad makakalipat kasi ang pangalan ng store natin ay pet related. Kung maglalagay naman tayo ng fashion items doon sa pet shop natin, medyo hindi related, medyo hindi tugma dun sa name ng store yung tinitinda natin, di ba? Which in general store, for example, general store, pwede natin ipasok, halimbawa, mag-umpisa tayo sa pets, umpisa natin sa pets, and then, magtitinda tayo ng mga pet items. And then, for example, gusto natin magdagdag ng items, pupuntang gaming or home items, pwede. Or for example, ayaw mo na sa pets na study ka ng market and yung pet niche pala ay saturated na. Or for example, yung gaming niche ay saturated na pero yun ang pinili mo. Mabilis ka makakalipat sa ibang niche kapag general store ang pangalan ng store mo. As I said earlier, it's from my own experience. I had a store, specifically it's pet niche. I sell dog beds and dog collars. And then I realized I want to change niche. And then I named a store as Pet Shop. What happened is that sayang naman yung domain name kung papalitan ko lang yung domain name tapos maglalagay ako ng ibang items, di ba? Which is kung general store agad yung pinik ko, tapos hindi ko na ulit kailangan bumili ng panibagong domain name which is a general store. The second tip is Shopify name generator plus GoDaddy.com. Basically, nahanap tayo ng name ng store natin. Okay? Search natin google.com and then Shopify Shopify name generator. Example, this one. And then dito, pwede natin mag-type kung anong business name na gusto natin. For example, sa name na gusto natin ng gold. Generate names. Or gold or silver. Silver sa name natin. Silver sa name ng store natin. Example, silver peach. Silver peach is available for our store name. And, for example, gusto nating bilhin yung domain name. Kasi, for example, silver peach, ang ginamit natin, ang mangyayari sa kanya, silverpeach.myshopify.com. Yun yung default store name. And, syempre, mas professional if, for example, silverpeach.com yung name ng store natin. Okay? Kasi GoDaddy.com. Okay, here, we can check the domain names of the store name that we want. For example, silverpeach.com. Okay. Silverpeach.com is available. Ibig sabihin, we can buy this domain name and make it the name of our store. And then, we can go here, Silverpeach, and then forward from here. And then, Silverpeach is already in use. Then from here, we can click next and then start building our store. Okay? Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please drop a like and then subscribe for more videos like this kasi mag-upload ako ng iba-iba pang Shopify tutorials para makatulong din for the beginners and may share din yung mga natutunan in building my store. And don't forget to hit that notification bell para pag nag-upload ako, mapapanood nyo agad yung video para makita nyo agad yung mga new information. Okay? See you sa next video.